Well, hello hackers, pen testers, and bug bounty hunters. This is Mohammad Badruddin back again with another lab, and today we are going to solve lab number 19. This is reflected XSS into a JavaScript string with angle brackets and double quotes HTML encoded and single quotes escaped. So this is very similar to the previous lab number 18, but the conditions are changed because there are other filtration, input validation, and sanitization is going on here. And this is about angle brackets, double quote, and single quotes. Okay. So we will see that in a minute. The lab description is saying this lab contains a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search query tracking functionality where angle brackets and double quotes are HTML encoded and single quote are escaped. So to solve this lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack that breaks out of the JavaScript string and calls the alert function. Now, because two things are written here simultaneously, the first one is HTML encode and escaped. So I just want to make sure that you are not confused in between HTML encoded and escaped. So many people many times get confused between URL or HTML encode and the escaped one. So there are many meta characters, and for different languages, for different programming languages, these meta characters have a special meaning, like single quote, double quote, angle brackets, curl brackets, okay, question mark, ampersand, percentage. All these are meta characters, and within different programming languages, these meta characters have different specific meaning. Okay, so what happened if there is any dangerous meta character is there? So programmers mostly escape those characters. So once the character or meta character which has special power or special functionality within that programming language, so they just escape that character. So once they escape that character will act as normal string. Once you escape, that meta character lose its special purpose. Fine. So let's go. I'm going to show you that in this lab. We also did the same thing before, but this time I just thought to mention this thing so that you are not confused about it. So as you can see here, angle brackets and double quotes are HTML encoded. So I'm going to search anything cybersec radar, okay, and search that. So once we search it, there is no result. I'm going to see the inspection section here, and as you can see, this is our string. Now if I scroll down, you can see within the script tag there is a script, and this is very much similar to the previous lab. So you can see it's defining one variable which is named as search term, and whatever you input in this field, in the search field, it is taking that input, and finally it is putting it here within the document.write, okay, with encode URI component. In the previous lab, what we did, we just close this script tag here. So let's see, do the same thing here to see whether it's working or not. So I'm going to say script, and let's say here anything alert. Fine. Within image tag, so image source is equal to X and on error is equal to alert. Fine. Let's see what happened. So once we search it, scroll down, go to the script tag, and here as you can see, this time this angle bracket does not work. Why? Because this is HTML encoded. So this is less than sign, and ampersand LT means less than. So that means the brackets, angle brackets, are not going to be worked because these are HTML encoded. Here also with the image tag, you can see this is the less than, and the meaning of the angle bracket gets changed. It is HTML encoded. So what we need to do here, that means this will not work. Let's try something else. I'm going to try let's say double quote to just show you that. And here scroll down, you can see it is HTML encoded. Okay, so double quote in HTML form is this. So what we can do, we can try now to escape these single quotes. Okay, you can see here these single quote. This is one, this is one. So whatever we input, it is shown here within these two single quote. So why not if I try, let's say single quote and cybersec radar. I just want to break out these single quote, so I can come out from this single quote. Search it again. Okay, now try this one, go to the script tag. So now you can see here, it seems like the search term is backslash, because within these two single quote backslash is there. So we can consider it like these two single quotes gets break out, we break out these two single quote, but actually not, this is not happening here. Why? There is a reason, because as the labs is saying that single quote is escaped. So you can see we did not put here any backslash, but application already put here backslash before the single quote. Okay, so that means this special character single quote, which have a specific purpose for JavaScript, now escaped. And once this meta character is escaped, this single quote considered as just simple string, same like cybersec radar. There is no special meaning left for this single quote. So what if I try one more backslash and single quote? Okay, if I search, so here you can see this backslash is because of the application server itself. It's putting this backslash to just escape the single quote, but we also put one more backslash. Okay, so that's why now this single quote is not escaped. Okay, because for escaping it needs only one backslash. So now the meaning gets changed and this single quote gets its power back. Fine. So now very simple thing we can do. So this backslash is to avoid the escaping of single quote, and then we just put here alert, and let's say search this. Now you can see there is no alert. We will figure it out why. Here now we break out this first single quote. Okay, this single quote, we break out this, and now we have alert with this single quote. So because of this single quote, the alert function is not working. So we will try to comment this. So after alert, whatever is there, we need to comment this. So in Java, we comment it with double forward slash. Now search it again. Okay, perfect. I just wanna highlight here, go to the script tag, and yes, now because you put here two forward slashes, so this line completely gets commented after alert. Fine. So after alert, whatever is there, it is commented, so not in the picture. Fine. Now why this alert is not working? Because maybe we need to, let's see how we can do this. We can try here some arithmetic or logical operators. Let's see with this, and yeah, that works. So this ampersand trying to do its operation by concatenating this string and this alert function. Okay, so let's try something else. instead of this ampersand, if I try single pipe here, search it, and yeah, that works also. We can try one more thing, which is going to be, let's say, arithmetic operation plus, although sometime plus because of URL encoding not work, but here you can see it's working. So you need to check rest of the things, and come on, minus will also work, I think. Yeah, hope you understand. If you have any query, please put your query in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in the next video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. See you. Bye.